Jammin' with you all day. Hi, my name is Joe. I work in the button factory. I have a house and a dog and a family. One day, my boss said to me,
Hi, Joe. Are you busy? Bill, he needed to take a day off, maybe two at the most. And I was just wondering if maybe you could fill in for him. And all you got to do is just push this button with your right hand or left. Really, it's your journey. You can choose your own adventure. You think you could you do that for the good of the company? I really appreciate it. Thanks. Bye.
Hi, my name is Joe, and I work in a button factory. I got a house, a dog, a family. One day, my boss said to me,
Hi, Joe. Are you busy?
No.
Well, so Bill is definitely going to need that second day. So maybe you could you just go ahead and not only push that first button, but push this other button with your other hand. That would be great. Thanks.
Hi, my name is Joe, and I work in the button factory. I got a house, a dog, a family. One day, my boss said to me,
Hi, Joe. Are you busy? No. So Bob is also out. So could you maybe push that button with your foot? Great.
Hi, my name is Joe, and I work over the button factory. I got a house, a dog, a family. One day, my boss said to me,
Hi, Joe. Are you busy?
No.
Okay. Push that other button with your other foot. Thanks.
Hi, my name is Joe, and I work in a button factory. I got a house and a dog and a family. One day, my boss said to me,
Hey, Joe. You're not busy, right?
No, I'm good.
Yeah, we're falling behind. Could you push that button with your nose?
Hi, my name is Joe, and I work in a button factory. I got a house, a dog, a family. One day, my boss said to me,
Joe, are you busy?
No.
Push that button with your tongue.
No. No.
Hi, Joe. Are you busy? Sorry, I didn't get that middle part. What were you trying to say? I was just going to tell you that Bill is back, so you don't have to keep pushing buttons. Boy, touchy guy.
Hi, my name is Joe, and I got one question for you. Do you want to rock? Come down to Joe's Guitar School. Mom, no, get out of here. Rock out with the coolest musicians with the finest gear in town. We've got cool amps and custom guitars for you to rock on. No, I'm doing a solo. I've been getting in like 8 hours a day. Feels great. Time goes by like. This guitar got me through some pretty hard times. Studies show that kids who take guitar lessons are 12 times smarter than their it's like they're 12 times smarter than if that same kid didn't. How do they test that? Are you ready to rock? Give us a call.
We'll be waiting.
Ah, how does he get that tone? Did you call this guy about guitar lessons? I want to take guitar lessons.
No, I haven't called.
You said you'd call yesterday.
I'll call today.
You'll call now.
I'll call now.